Hi everyone. So, in my last video, I talked about how I failed in engineering. Please go and check it out if you want. So, let's talk about what after that. What is the next path that I want to go? So, people always say, follow your passion. What if you don't have one? Follow your passion, choose your career, choose something that you love. How do you know that? Because when you come into the society, they have already a roadmap which you already followed. Now what? Now what do you want? जब तुम्हें कोई बोल देता है ना कि अब तुम खुद फिगर आउट करो तुमको क्या करना है, that is the time you really ask yourself, and that is the real time you ask that what is that I really love and I can do it even if I don't get paid for it. That is the one question that I would encourage you to ask yourself if you want to really figure out what you want from life. So there is the confusion phase started. So it started right after my resigning in job. मैंने job quit तो कर दिया. उसके बाद I went into this spiral loop, like what is next now, what is next, because you have always followed the roadmap, like you always knew what is the next goal you're working towards. This is the first time you're like, no, I do not want this. What do I want? This is a time which is very confusion. You do not know what you want anymore because you are at this age where you think everyone has gotten wherever they want to go, and you are just left behind because they have had the career milestone that you thought you would have. But now you realize you don't like your career anymore. What do you do? So this is the confusion state, and it is very important to stay in that particular stage to have the clarity. So I went into this whole clarity phase, like trying and exploring different new things and experiences. What feels good to me, what feels right to me. So I did not chase what feels good. Like I did not chase the feeling कि हाँ मुझे इसमें अच्छा लग रहा है. But I chased the feeling कि is this right? You know, this is the phase where I went into this righteousness phase. Like I tried product management. I did a course for product management, and I really like it. It felt really good. It did not felt right though, because it was still a corporate ladder. You're gonna chase same things. The next thing, um, the environment would be the same. The only difference is you will have much more leadership skills. Now I personally like to have leadership skills because आई रियली लाइक दैट वे. लाइक मुझे पसंद नहीं कि कोई मुझे बोलेगा कि ये कर दो और मैं बस कर दी. मुझे रियली फिगर आउट करना बहुत पसंद है. द द अमेजिंग पार्ट ऑफ दैट, you really need to find the job you're trying to find, the next thing that you're trying to do. What is that one part that you really fell in love with? So this is what I tried to find. What I really like about the product management process, when I went into the course, I did few projects, and I really love the part where I have to pitch my product. लेकिन उसके बैकग्राउंड में जो मार्केट रिसर्च एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस, हाउ टू स्ट्रैटेजी, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ रोड मैप, प्रोडक्ट को कैसे आगे ग्रो करवाना है, उसकी मेरे को कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं थी. देन आई रियलाइज इफ़ आई डोंट हैव ऑल द स्किल सेट्स, आई वुड बी ऑलवेज बिलो कॉन्फिडेंट, एंड वो दिख जाएगी. इफ़ यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर स्किल्स, वो दिख जाती है even in interview and other things also. I did few interviews and then realized that it's a assignment based interview. एक assignment दो दिन जाता था, and I did not like the process itself. I'm not saying it is the wrong thing, it is what it should be. To each their own. I do not judge it at all. If it is that way, it is that way. Khatam baat. So I really thought that what is this one thing that I could do. I was feeling lost. October, November, December, I really felt like lost child. Like, now what? Now I told everyone that I would do something else, and I myself has no clarity of what am I doing. And that's the time I really tried yoga. Now, that is my main turning point. What I did is I did not find the passion. I actually noticed some things about myself, what comes naturally to me. So there are few things that were coming naturally to me जिसको मेरे लिए actually effort नहीं करना पड़ रहा था. Hard work is good, but hard work without interest is actually burnout. And you do not want to do just hard work, hard work, hard work if you do not have any interest towards it, if you don't know what you want to improve in your own timeline without comparing with anyone's timeline, and you just want to be and you just want to do things for yourself. And that's the time I think the life turned over to me and said, here, this is what you have been doing, this is comes natural to you, try. So I have been doing physical movement. It's been a few years, let me just say it, like good 4 to 5 years. And I really fell in love with fitness की journey. So I was not never the person जिसको push करना पड़ा है कि oh go to the gym, go to the gym. रात को जिम का कपड़ा पहन के shoes ready करके रखना. I was never the person. I was like जैसे ही सुबह उठता है I wanna go to the gym. That's it. I don't know why. It's a self push. It of course came a lot of from my own health conditions. I was never consistent in the gym before, but I did took seriously last 2 years, like 2024 से मैंने पूरा consistently gym करना start किया. And I really fell in love with the process. Like each day you are discovering something about your body, you are having much more awareness in your body. I really love that part. And then I discovered yoga, and I realized I just read about yoga because I was doing yoga as well, self practicing, but it was not like a proper manner क्योंकि मुझे उतनी पता नहीं थी. आई वॉज टेकिंग अ पार्ट लाइक अ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, लिटिल बिट स्ट्रेचिंग एंड मोबिलिटी, दैट्स इट. सो आई रियली went a deep into yoga science, like the yogic science. And then I realized this is much more than just a physical activity, and this is completely for your mind, and it's a state of mind. And I was like, I want to try this. I went to Rishikesh and did my yoga certification, 200 yoga teacher training certification, and for a month, and I fell in love with it. मैं देखूंगी अगर व्लॉग होगा, मैंने कुछ कुछ रिकॉर्ड किया है. आई वुड ट्राई टू पुट दैट अप फॉर यू गाइज टू वॉच हाउ द होल प्रोसेस वॉज, हाउ मच डिड इट कॉस्ट, everything. I'll put it in a video. You'll love it. So coming back to the point, that was my turning point. Like, man, I love physical movement. My problem was I cannot sit for long hours. I have always found myself when I noticed that मैं मीटिंग कर रही हूँ बट मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ, मैं किसी कॉल पे हूँ मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ, मैं कुछ पढ़ रही हूँ, समटाइम्स आई जस्ट वॉक. So it is hard for my body to just sit. This is how my body releases energy. My body just moves. And I was like, this is comes naturally to me. Like a lot of the Indians have this kind of mindset, like उनको actually उनकी body को उनको move कराना पड़ता है. But मैं बचपन से ही अपनी body movement करते आई हूँ, because honestly मुझे साइकिल चलानी नहीं आती थी बचपन में, मुझे अभी भी नहीं आती है. टू व्हीलर चलानी नहीं आती. इट्स वेरी वेरी एम्बैरेसिंग. आई नो, आई एम ट्राइंग टू, आई हैव लर्नड फोर व्हीलर नाउ, सो pat on my back. So but I have always loved movement, and I was like, how did I not see it? Here comes the truth. Passion isn't found, it's actually built by paying attention towards yourself. When you move inward and see who you are, you actually reveal your true self. So, all this time, I was trying to fit into a societal box where my heart was not in a line. Like my brain was aligned, like okay, I'm pretty capable, like what is this, is ये मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती जब सब कर रहे हैं. That was completely came from ego. I was not naturally drawn towards this. I was actually drawn towards something else. I still have a lot of different interests. Like I have interest in art. I read books. I am much more engaged in creativity. I think if you talk about gym and yoga, those are also an art. Like literally, those are arts. You know, we call martial arts, right? It's a physical activity. So it's an art of knowing your body, how it is moving, and knowing the complete anatomy, and actually having the awareness of your body. So this is an art as well. Then I realized, fuck, I'm an artist. Why I was chasing something that I was not? And that is where it clicked me. So if you're a good artist, money will come to you. And money is good. I'm not saying money is not good, but if you're good in what you do and it's comes so natural to you, people do believe. So now I'm not just a certified yoga teacher. I actually teach yoga and I'm doing freelancing. How amazing is that? Who thought someday I would really have my own yoga studio? Manifesting it right now. So, yeah. So, this is how things are. Like, even if you don't know and you give up, you don't actually give up. Even if you quit your career that you always thought that this is the right thing to do, but your heart was not there, let life reveal what you truly are. And there you will find yourself. This is how I found yoga. This is how I found movement. This is how I found gymming. And I really, really like it. I really, really love it. So, yeah, if this story inspires you, and if you really have a itch, even if you're doing 9 to 5, really have a itch कि मुझे कुछ और भी ट्राई करना है, थोड़ा टाइम निकाल के प्लीज़ ट्राई दैट. And you will be amazed at how good you can be in that field. So I'm not encouraging you to leave your 9 to 5 because not everyone has the privilege of it, but I would definitely encourage you to go and at least try new things that sparks your heart, and keep that creativity close to your heart. Whenever you get time, actually make time for it, and you will know that how fast you're progressing on that particular area than this one where your heart is not aligned. So yeah, if you really like this video, thumbs up, share about your journey if you're having or facing similar situation as me, and yeah, let's connect. Bye.